What's up guys, Bearded Jeeper here, and today we're checking out some products that Superclean sent us. Alright, so today we're checking out a couple of different degreasers. We got one that's in an aerosol can, it's the new one, and then the regular old squirt bottle here. We're going to check them out. Superclean sent them to us to try out, and figured I have a perfect spot to try to use them. So underneath the Jeep on the transmission pan, it is just caked in transmission fluid or grime or dirt. I'm not exactly sure what it is. I don't know if I have a leak there or not, but the only way I'm gonna get to be able to find out if there's a leak there when I get it up and running is if it's clean to start with, then I can actually tell where the leak is. So we're gonna spray some of this stuff on, let it sit for a little bit, wipe it off. Now, I was reading up on this, and you can dilute this stuff if you need to, but for automotive purposes, it says to do it full strength. Try this aerosol can, see if it's any different. Ooh, this is a foaming one. Even better. The foam will actually stick up there instead of don't breathe it. Yeah, I think the foam's gonna be my favorite. Got a rag. I'll grab two. Been a couple minutes here, almost 5 minutes. We'll see how the stuff works. Looks like it's getting some of the gunk off. You hear that stuff? It's probably just this light buried in the ground. Getting there we go, free, warm. It's frozen in the ice. Stuff's kind of hard to wipe off. Maybe I gotta let it sit longer. But I'm gonna just try spraying some and wiping it right away. Get some of the grease. I don't know how much I'm expecting from this. If I'm expecting it to completely take off all the caked on stuff. It is kind of cold out here too, so. Oh, there we go. Just have to put a little elbow grease into it. It actually worked quite well. All right, as you can see, it cleaned that up really well. I mean, look at that. It looks really good. Got all that grease and grime off. I can get the stuff up here. I just need a brush. My fingers are starting to freeze. It's wicked cold out here, but I wanted to give this a test and see if it actually did the trick to remove all this grease and grime under here. And it looks like it's working really great, actually. All right, guys, I have to say this Superclean is working really well. I was kind of skeptical about it at first because it really didn't seem to be working, but gave it a little bit more time, put a little bit of elbow grease into it, and seemed to do the trick. I really like this foaming stuff because it seems to stick on the whatever you're spraying it onto, and then you can easily wipe it away. And I think if I had a little wire brush to get into those other tight grooves, and if it wasn't so cold out today, I would attempt that. But I wanted to get a video out, even though it's cold and freezing, and I'm laying in ice just to get this video done. So if you want to get this Superclean Degreaser or any of the other Superclean products, I'll put a link in the description below. Check them out. So thanks Superclean for sending this to me. It's gonna come in handy cleaning the super old dirty Jeep. Have you guys tried Superclean products? Let me know in the comments below. As always guys, stay bearded, stay Jeepin'. I'm out.